Hey, see, make sure you come with that ball tomorrow. Chika, I'm talking to you. Come with that ball tomorrow. Okay. This is most
Frank, I've been looking for you since.
Madam.
How are you? How are you?
I am fine.
Okay.
I'm fine.
I called you to know how you have been preparing for the forthcoming inter-house sports. This thing. So, how is it going to be?
Okay. Madam, you see, the students, they are really trying. I'm telling you, we are having a training every 3 times in a week.
Okay.
Yes.
Anyway, Frank, you know why I'm asking you this? It's because I will not like the situation whereby you will lose this in the forthcoming inter-house sports
Competition.
Yeah.
No, madam. That can happen. Okay? Like I told you, everything is under control. I even pleaded with Pastor. I even pleaded with Copanuel to assist me in this.
Okay, that's very good of you. Anyway, as I have said earlier, if there's anything you're lacking, please don't hesitate to let me know.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
okay. And why I'm saying this is that I know what's involved in this competition, and I really don't want to know this.
You mean the money? Madam, you see, I cross my heart.
Right.
You understand me? Eh? We will put a smile on your face.
Okay. Right.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma.
Right.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay. Bye. Money. Hey, I go. Where? What is it? After 5 to 6, I go work out. Simple question. They cannot answer it. Just wash it up.
So how's the inter-house working on the school?
Wow. The students, they are really trying their best.
Oh,
in fact, they are trying beyond our expectation.
really appreciate your effort in this school, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you, alright. Please, if there is anything you are lacking, please don't hesitate to let me know.
Okay.
Just ask me anytime and anything. Okay. So I'm having an important meeting now at the headquarters. I'll let you know when I'm back, alright?
Okay, ma.
Thank you so much. Alright.
Look, guy, that's something with the worry me. At the beginning, they suspect this guy.
Which guy?
Frank.
Waiting.
Notice, waiting. The way he take the rise all these girls, one after the other. Even.
Nowhere.
Wait. Come. And they suspect saying they rise our principal.
Principal! This guy, you know the rise of the principal. I even personally asked him. Forget that thing. You know the door.
You know they see what thing they happen. Baby, you big kid. You know they see how they take.
But let me ask you, are you jealous of him?
Jealous?
Why you the talk so?
How can I be jealous?
Why are you complaining? Start to do what they do. Yeah.
And they do now, but they own too much.
Why in too much?
Too much now.
You they do at all?
Nah, they do.
They talk, my person.
You know they do.
I they do, but why are you jealous of Frank? Forget that thing. Nah.
Oh, why this guy do my life, eh? If someone will get appointment, guy would they disappoint me. You know, I need money for this, but everywhere don't try. Pick this corner, babe. Pick calm. Eh? Hi. Don't tire. Everywhere don't try. My pocket, everything. What thing I go do now? Hi. I need money. Eh? I need to fit for this bag. What thing I go do? Everywhere don't try.
Hey, Father's Day.
Hey,
Sandra,
baby.
I beg you.
How far now?
Eh?
How you doing?
And I just
You define me as a visa. Eh? What's happen?
I can't say me you escort me go me down Mugu number 6 now.
You dey fool, you be mumu. Hey. Oh, so free where you wetin dey make me vex where you dey be say you go do finish tell them answer. For waiting now. Forget that mugu number 6, Abina, waiting you call am. They go do you finish, you go tell them answer. You know say we need money for this bag. You get sense at all? See, calm down, forget am. See what you go do, We go call Amanda. We get appointment to Coppers now. You don't forget. See, listen. They feel me. Good. Listen, if we school dismissed today, come my house by 4. We will migrate from there. Go call Amanda. Baby.
Forget this boy where they call, they give you money.
You be fool.
Follow me, go meet Chi.
You be fool.
Money they enter that bag.
Get out. You be fool.
Follow me, go meet Chi.
You be
money.
I beg, they go. They go, my concentrate. I beg, go.
Now you are the
Oh, show free babe.
Yes, sir.
Oh, show free babe.
Yes, sir.
Mumu, see your nyash. Nonsense. This Coppers, only cook they give us. They don't bring my put for pockets. Anyway, but I like the way they do me. I manage, not sin. No one.
I mean, I don't hungry. I don't know how we do this thing. Guys, wait. Give it out. Guess what? This town, sweet. If I know small. I know they see what that is.
No. The point is not that they are fun. It is just that they sabi.
Everything.
They sabi, not everything. They know sabi work, but they sabi.
Hey, yeah. Where are you?
They sabi.
I know that both of you must dance to my drum. That is the more reason why I must possess my position. So I go to possess my position till I finish my service for this school.
That's no position.
Your possession.
So where the position going there? In between legs.
Oh, I got it. I'm not gonna have God today.
Frank, God today.
You where they talk. You they do pass me.
Oh boy, na virus.
Even you.
Your own day too.
Frank.
Virus.
The point.
Who is there?
Yes, come
if
in.
you're beautiful, come in.
Whether they beautiful.
Hey!
I am fine.
Alright.
Where have you been?
You kept us with.
My dear, sorry, you no verse.
I never so. I just accept that.
Frank, what is that?
I beg, guys, wait. Me no verse, Hey, this Papa Amanda, been waiting they call him. That man, they worry. That man a soldier. I talk tire.
In fact, that man, see that man, me I don't tire.
Hey!
Me when you kill, I don't tire.
Then it's okay. No, what's happened? Then I forget that old man.
We go give a condition.
As my
So, what's happening now?
Nothing. Let's start the merriment.
Alright.
What do I keep for house now?
Hey, you don't see this guy. I tell you say go cook. In the wait for you guys.
I don't understand you guys.
The food work is last week. You don't chop.
I beg, forget.
No cooking.
Why did you
You know, this is the, I just had a dream about you. We are just playing.
Hey!
You had a dream. It's not playing. I had a dream.
Jennifer, don't suffer.
Put your eyes there, put your eyes there.
Focus on your
Put your eyes there.
own.
See Amanda.
My own anger is not that they are not concentrating in their studies anymore, but what those children are doing, jumping from one to another, from Coppers Lodge, I don't even really understand them anymore.
My sister, you are right. Because the other day as I was walking in my farm close to their lodge, I saw one tall girl that enters the lodge, and she didn't come back before I left the farm.
See, Hope, I hate sheep gossips. How are you sure that the very girl you saw is a student? Tell me, how are you sure?
I saw her with my naked eyes. she was putting on school uniform.
That was right. So many people, I see them with their 2 eyes.
See, I strongly believe that the young men are innocent of your accusations. Understand? Have you forgotten that students often go to the lodge to help them do one thing or the other? And even female coppers reside there too. How are you sure that the very girl you saw went to meet the guys? How are you sure?
Mama Mercy, are you speaking in their favor?
Not at all. I'm not speaking in anybody's favor. But the point I want to drive home is this. It is wrong for you to judge them in that manner. It's wrong.
Let's agree until the day God will expose them. Thank God I did not have a female child in the school.
But you must do something before it is too late.
Anyway, as you're looking at me here, my sweet potato husband is in the house hungry. So, I need to go and prepare something for him to eat before he sends me packing. Stay there.
Hey!
My sister.